What's up, Blue Chips? One trade today on SPWR. Let's get to it. All right, traders, as you can see, we have a nice new layout all around us. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of it. Like it, dislike, questions, comments, things that we can improve on, things that we could disprove on. Yeah, just leave me some feedback down there. Let me know what you think. On to SPWR. This was another thing I was dealing with, trying to use Streamlabs OBS, which was new to me. This was the first day using it. And apparently it was outputting .flv files instead of the proper files I need to import into Adobe Premiere Pro. So I don't have the live trade. If you want the live trade, it's there via the live stream that we did this morning. So if you want to go back and watch that, feel free. However, we're just going to do a quick little recap. As you can see, we looked into this one for the 950 reject. It actually went through 950, came back through underneath, and then it went back up towards 950. We were looking for it to reject it the second time around. So we actually only took half of a starter position here. We were looking to start with 100 shares. We only took 50 just in case we were wrong and it wanted to continue through 950 yet again, which it did. And it got up to 963, kind of felt like it was the top there. So we added the other half of our starter position there at 960, giving us an average at 954. And we got a nice wash right away for the most part down here to where we covered our first half at 936. We actually put an order in and it got hit. The bottom of that candle was at 931.8, so we were actually pretty close. But we only took 50% off there, right? So we took 50 shares, and as we were coming back up, we kind of put into our head, hey, we don't really want this to go high of day and stop out, so the $0.50 here, it'll probably act as good resistance. If it doesn't act as good resistance, it's probably going to go high of day. That was kind of what was going through our head. So we put a stop order in there right above 50 at 51. We get stopped. It goes up, touches 53, ultimately gets rejected, and doesn't look back the rest of the day. So in hindsight, it's just a common problem I have. I tend to top tick these sloppy seconds when I know sloppy seconds are most likely, but yet I keep doing this. This is like the third time in the last 2 weeks that I've done this, and it's getting a little bit frustrating. So I think what I'm going to do moving forward is I'm pretty good at getting these plays, right? My problem is the leftovers. So I think I'm going to just start taking 75% down here on that wash, and then I'm going to look to play the 25% out. Because if I had 25% left here, I wouldn't have had an issue letting it go high of day to stop me out because it's less risk, less money back off the table if it does go high of day. But in this case, as you can see, it would have worked out. And a lot of times it does this. You get the sloppy seconds and then you get the move back down, especially to that previous resistance we were looking for down here at 915 before it bounced right off of it, ran into VWAP, and then gave us the VWAP fade right through that support. So that's all I have for you. A little bit frustrating there covering out. This was the only trade we got. We actually almost took a trade over here on FSCT as we were trying to figure out everything that was going on, but we weren't really paying attention to it. It gave us a nice move up towards 33 and then back down here towards 32, and ultimately it's trying to do something here, but we're not interested at this point. The volume kind of died off. And that's all I have for you. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, let me know what you think about the new layout, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.